Once a kid used to live with his mother. They were poor, and Cloud earned just to manage their needs. Mother had only one eye, and because of that, kid used to think of her as embarrassment. One day, when Mother to Kid's school, everyone in school laughed at him and taunted about his mother only one eye. Due to this, kid started to hate his mother, and thought hate his mother's presence is just an embarrassment for him, and he does not want to live with her.
So, he decided that he would study really hard and will leave his mother. Kid completed his studies with good grades and landed a good job in another city. He left his mom and got settled in city. He bought a big house, got married, successful life. One day, his mother came to see him. When Kid saw her, they felt scared and went to him. When he comes to see who was there, Dorothy found that it was his mother.
Seeing her and said, "Who are you? How dare you come to my house?" Mother understand. "Oh, I am really sorry, I may gotten the wrong address." Then, she left. Then, one day, Kid got a letter from his school about reunion. After reunions, he went down to his old house, where his mother used to live. When he entered his mother's house and saw his mother was lying on floor lifeless with a piece of paper in his hand, it was letter to his son.
She wrote, "My son, I think my life has been long enough now, and I won't visit you anymore. But would it be too much to ask if I wanted you to come visit me once in a while? I miss you so much, and I was so glad when I heard you were coming for the reunion. But I decided not to go to the school for you. I am sorry that I only have one eye, and I was an embarrassment for you."
You see, when you were very little, you got into an accident and lost your eye. As a mother, I couldn't stand watching you having to grow up with only one eye. So, I gave you mine. It was so proud of my son that was seeing a whole new world for me. In my place. With that eye, it was never upset at you for anything you did. I miss you so much. I love you. You mean the world to me.